Hi, it's Bruce Hasty from Argo Yachting. We're here this weekend at the South Coast Boat Show in Ocean Village Marina. You join us here on the setup day. The show opens tomorrow, Friday the 19th of April, and we are here through till Sunday afternoon, the 21st of April. This weekend we will have 4 boats on display, 2 Galeon yachts, both flybridge. We're stood aboard the 560 fly, and next to us we have the 400 fly. We're also displaying the Chris Craft Launch 28 GT and the Pardo 43. It would be great to see you this weekend. We've got a great forecast, should be sunny all 3 days. Tickets are free. All the information regarding the show is available at argoyachting.com.